Hello everyone. In this very quick video, I'm going to talk about something known as Facebook Ads Library. This is a super duper useful tool that allows you to look at your competitor strategy, and you can see what kind of ads that they're using to sell similar products like you. So you can see, for example, what kind of creatives that they're using or what kind of videos that they're using, and you can also see their headline strategy or what kind of descriptions that they're using. Now all of these things are super important, which can literally help you to boost your campaign and grow your sales as well. And if you're finding those really successful ads, then you just look at what makes them so successful, and then you just take some inspiration and you kind of replicate that for yourself. That's absolutely better than anything else out there. So this is a way for us to understand what actually works for any specific niche or for any specific product, and then just run ads in a similar fashion that our successful competitors are. So let's dive in. So first of all, what you need to do is just head over to facebook.com/ads library. Let me just type in the URL: facebook.com/ads/library. Fine. Great. So this is a tool that will actually help you to scale up your campaign. So now all you need to do is to search for whatever it is that you are selling. Now for instance, let's say I'm selling this laptop stand, right? So if I want to see some example of ads that are selling this kind of laptop stand, all I need to do is to type in here. Okay, so now here, if you're creating ads for anything related to social issues or politics or election, you may choose this option. But for now, in my case, I will go with all ads. And then, as you can see, you can also select your service location as well, right? So let me just type in my product keyword. Fine. So as soon as you fill in the blanks with all the details, you just hit the enter button. Great. So now I can see what kind of ads that other people are running to sell the same product that I'm selling in my company, right? So now what I can do is I can scroll down and I can have a look at all the ads that are selling the similar product. So now, for example, let's say I want to get some more details about this specific ad, right? So what I can do is I can just simply click on this see ad details button to get some more details, right? See here. Now if you click on the shop now button, you can see where this ads is redirecting people, and you can also get some ideas about the landing page, about the copywriting of the landing page and all of those things like that, right? So that's all I wanted to share with you is the ads library. Just search for whatever you are selling and just choose your service location, and this way you're gonna get a lot more inspiration that you can actually implement to take your Facebook ads campaign to the next level. Now if you have any question related to Facebook advertisement, just feel free to put them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next one.